Let's talk about drones and licensing in the US. Here's a couple things that you should know. If you plan on getting a drone, no matter the weight, no matter if it's brand new or not, if you are getting a drone, you will need to take and pass the recreational UAS safety test. Not to worry, it's a totally passable test. It's an open book test. It's online and it's free. Once you get your trust certificate, you will need to keep that certificate on you whenever you fly. So just in case a law enforcement officer comes up, somebody comes up to you, you actually have that certification saying that you passed. If you need to keep an electronic copy on your phone, I would also do that. But always keep that trust certificate with you when you are flying. Next, you're going to need to consider, do you need to register your drone? Now, there is a rule that says if a drone weighs more than 0.55 pounds, then you will need to register. I say on the safe side, no matter how heavy your drone is, just register your drone. It costs $5. I think it renews every 3 to 5 years. But again, it's not going to hurt you to register your drone. In my opinion, it's actually the more responsible thing to do. After that, you need to decide, are you going to be a recreational pilot or a commercial pilot? A recreational pilot, you are just flying for fun. You are flying as a hobby. You love just taking your drone to the beach, to the park. You're not making any kind of money from your drone. Now, if you're a commercial pilot, that means you are accepting money, or maybe you're even bartering. A nonprofit could ask you, hey, could you take some, photos of, our park or our garden? And you do that, you would need a Part 107. You're a content creator and you go out and take videos and put it on your YouTube, you make ads, you are a commercial pilot. You're going to need a Part 107. Not to worry, totally passable test. There are tons of resources online. There are paid resources, free resources, and it's a passable test. I think the minimum age is 16 to take it, just like I believe, still a driver's license. So just go take the test. You're going to pass, and I'll put some links down below to help you do that. All right. I hope this helps. Before we can do anything, we got to fly safe.